me. She says you should have got an A, and I said, Mom, it's an AP class. It's basically an A. She said you still should have got an A, and I was like, woman.
Yeah, my mom acts like.
All right.
AP cal's not.
Oh, did I have the blank notes in there?
She said counted. She should have known how hard math is.
Yes? Oh, I thought you
No,
were
she should. Are we starting?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. So I'm not going to do all of these. I'm just going to pick and choose what we can do to figure this out. So, given the functions f of t below, we're going to find the antiderivative from 1 to x of f of t dt. So, antiderivative from 1 to x of f of t. Oh, that's a t, not an x.
Yes.
dt. Okay, so the first ones we're going to do a long way, and then we're going to figure out a shortcut. All right. So we do the antiderivative of 4t, which would be 2t squared. Are you with me?
Yes.
All right. And then minus 2t cubed over 3, evaluated from 1 to x. All right. Then we plug in x. You get 2x squared minus x cubed over 3. Oh, minus, then we plug in 1, so that's 2 minus 1/3. So we have 2x squared minus x cubed over 3. 2 minus 1/3 would be 1 2/3, or 5, 5 over 3. So that's minus 5/3.
That's the answer.
Is that the answer?
That's the first part, yes. So we're supposed to find f of x, which was this, which is what we just found. And then we're also supposed to find f prime of x. So I'm running out of room. I'm just going to put it over here because I'm not doing this one anyways.
So 4x cubed.
So f prime of x is 4x, right? Minus x squared. The other one goes away.
Woo.
Woo.
Didn't they give us?
Okay, what do you mean?
At the top.
Yeah, it's just now we have an x in its place, right?
Ooh.
Does that make sense, though? Because you're taking the derivative of the antiderivative.
It makes
Yeah. So if you take,
So
if I took the derivative of this, this would go away.
Yeah.
But now wait, there's a catch.
I don't even understand what we're doing.
You do or don't?
Then
All I
why
did-
are we doing it?
Oh, you'll see. Okay, so the next one, we have f of t. We're going to use f of x, big F of x, equal to 1 to x squared of f of t. And we're going to find f of x and f prime of x. F of x, big F of x, is integral from 1 to x squared of f of t, which is t cubed, dt. So it's an antiderivative of t cubed. What's the antiderivative of t cubed?
T over 4.
T to the 4th over 4, right? Somebody grab that.
Who?
And then
That's the least.
I'm going to You have to wait a minute. This is my apcal class.
Oh, yeah.
So then we go from 1 to x squared. Bear with me.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So f of x equals big F of x squared to the fourth, so it'd be x8, over 4 minus 1 over 4. I put x squared in and then 1 in.
Oh, okay.
So that's really x to the 8th over 4 minus 1/4. So there's one answer we're supposed to find. And then f prime of x means I take the derivative of that.
Are you supposed to squiggle that box too?
That's cute.
So I put an
Yes.
a out in front of it. Right? I'm taking the derivative of this. So that's 8 times x to the 7th over 4, which is 2x to the 7th.
Wait, we got a different thing.
Right. So,
Because it was squared.
because it was squared. All right.
The first one we got the same.
So if we got
Did
normal
the answer
numbers, it would be
derivative
the
was
same.
So if it was just x, it would work. Because when you take the derivative of x, what do you get?
derivative of x squared? No.
One.
Derivative is 1.
Yeah.
And then what's the derivative of x squared?
X.
2x.
Oh, 2x.
So this is called the second fundamental theorem of calculus.
Oh, there's one of them.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
If f of x is the antiderivative from a to some expression g of x of f of t dt, then f prime of x is f of g of x. So you put this in there, and then you times it times the derivative of g of x.
Gotcha.
So for example, if we do this same problem Monday, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, you want a test?
Yes, please. You can put them on a desk or something. Just flip them over.
Take my phone and leave it.
Oh, yeah.